Pickled cucumber or pickles, they all are the different names for one same cuisine that you can never resist. The seeding process for pickles has begun. Each seed is placed at just the right depth in the soil by these sow machines to achieve healthy growth. Once planted, the seeds are attended regularly so they sprout in beautiful young plants. Farmers usually keep the bees near their crops because they are excellent pollinators, and their activity of extracting nectar helps in crop yield efficiency and higher quality produce. Over time, the saplings are grown-up plants now. An army of farmers arrived at the scene to collect what they sowed. I mean those precious little cucumbers that are full grown now. They have brought this ingenious system for their valuable workers to harvest the cucumbers with efficiency and speed up the process by staying away from the direct sun heat. Well, you may ask, why don't they use machinery harvesting too? Here you get to see that automated process you were thinking about. They have made this amazingly systematic unit to collect, convey, and store the cucumbers effectively. They are pretty good at what they are doing, and you can see it's just a one-man job. This way, large companies save a lot of labor expense by one-time investing in these agriculture heroes. You will be surprised to hear what I am about to tell you. So far, China is proven to be the largest producing country for cucumbers. And do you know the numbers? They produce around 77 million tons of cucumbers every year. Well, with that marvelous engineering, I can believe it to be possible. After the cucumbers have been harvested, the next step is to wash and prepare them for pickling. So we have arrived inside a temporary facility to clean the cucumbers. Here comes the critical step to make sure that the cucumbers are clean and free from any dirt or pesticide residue before they undergo the pickling process. The workers manually check that only high-quality cucumbers make their way towards you. Now they are ready to be taken towards the major unit, where finally pickles will be prepared. Let them unload the loads of cucumber, or maybe do a little quality check before proceeding anything further. Check out these several brining units, which is listed as the major step for pickling the cucumbers. Brining is the process where they fill up the cucumbers with a flavorful solution. Consisting of the secret ingredients that gives the pickles their distinctive and tangy deliciousness. The cucumbers rest in brine for 1 to 4 weeks, depending on every company's preference. But once the time is up, they use those heavy lifting systems to handle that much pile of pickles, which are super delicate now. You have tasted both sliced and whole cucumber pickles, right? First, we will take a tour through the sliced ones. This load of sliced pickles is driving me crazier, which is, by the way, all done mechanically. Turning from ordinary cucumbers into flavorful pickles that are ready to be enjoyed by pickle lovers everywhere. While these jars are being filled with the sliced pickles and the special liquid to keep them fresh as long as you want, why not subscribe to my channel so I can enjoy your company every time I upload new content? See, they are all ready to dispatch. You may comment down below if you ever tasted their pickles or enjoyed watching their entire procedure. Now, it's time to take you to another company's pickling experience, which is different. We all know cleaning or washing is necessary to keep them safe and healthy for all the consumers. So let me tell you, these gherkins, or you can say pickles, are not just delicious to eat, but they have many other health benefits too. Loaded with gut-friendly probiotics and hydrating goodness, they're a crunchy delight that keeps your tummy happy and your body refreshed. Some studies suggest that the compounds found in cucumbers may help regulate blood sugar levels. A quick stop, because here is my favorite spice that is going to be added to pickles. Yup, none other than dill. While they get the bottles ready with several other spices, I really want to tell you that the fiber content in cucumber pickles, particularly those made with the skin on, can help in digestion by promoting regularity and preventing constipation. Every company makes pickles in their style. And here we are watching a whole other experience, where the pickles will be prepared and ready within your containers. These pickling cucumbers are basically shorter for around 3 to 6 inches and blockier than the slicing ones and have bumpy skin. But I know this is going to be a wonderful experience for those who love to eat these whole pickle cucumbers.